Okay, I got you now. Okay, cool. Thank you, Yasser. So looks like you're having troubles with the CSS on the rectangle, or are you just playing with it? You just might need to, let me see what you got here. Let me go edit this. Inspect. Oh, yeah, sure. I see the problem. Yeah, CSS is very particular. You need to add spaces around these minus signs, like that. I don't know if you saw that, Yasser, but that's what you need to put spaces around the minus signs. Yeah, so. You got it? Okay, cool. All right. Lucy's one is beautiful. Where's Lucy's link? I want to see Lucy's link. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. All right, so what you got? Oh, nice. I like the colors. You're way better with the colors than I am, Lucy. And you have a nice box shadow around it. That's so sweet.